Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you all how I achieve this look using a headband wig, honey. Okay, this look is super easy, super cute. So let's just jump right into the video. This video is sponsored by RoyalMe. They sent me their Alyssa headband wig in the color natural black, and I'm going to leave all the information down below in the description bar. And once I open up the box, this is how it looked, and as you can see, it's packaged nice and neat. And they sent me 2 bands and also some hair clips. So this is my first headband wig, so I'm just looking at it, trying to see, you know, how it's constructed and everything. But this is the headband, and it's just wrapped around the wig like so. And then in the inside, they have 3 hair combs at the top, and they have a long hair comb in the back. So I placed the wig on top of my mannequin head, and I'm just showing you all how it look in the inside. The first thing I'm going to do is wash the hair, and I'm using this conditioner, and I'm using some argan oil and some coconut milk. So this is how the hair looked once I finished washing it, and this hair is so soft, and like I didn't get a whole bunch of shedding or anything when I was washing the unit. I was actually just running my fingers straight through, and I wasn't getting like any snags or anything like that. So now I'm just going to brush out the curls because I wanted the hair big. So this is how the hair looked once I combed it out, and as you see on the other side, that's the side that I did not comb out. So this is how the wig looked once I finished brushing it out, and as you can see, it gets very big. But I want to define the curls just a little bit, so I just took a section and I applied some mousse and just combed it out with my brush. And as you can see, like the curls are very pretty, so I really like that look. So I'm just going to do the exact same thing to the rest of the wig, but instead of using mousse, I use some styling gel. So once the wig was finished air drying, this is how it looked. As you can see, the curls are so pretty. Like this is the look that I was going for. So now I'm just going to apply the wig, and I started from the back. I placed the comb, like I placed the back comb underneath my braid, and then I pulled the wig towards the front. And I do have on a stocking cap underneath it. And yeah, so it was very easy. The wig fit perfectly. Like all I had to do was just adjust it to my liking. And this is the first time that I had like natural hair, like a wig that was this texture. And I was just trying to figure out how I wanted to style it. So I'm just combing it out just a little bit with my fingers, pulling it apart, making it just a little bit bigger to my liking. So the company did send me 2 headbands, but I'm going to use the ones that I purchased from Walmart because it's a little bit more wider, and I wanted to cover up the band. So as you can see, I'm just playing with the hair, trying to fluff it out just a little bit more, trying to, you know, figure out how I want to wear it, how I want to style it. As you can see, it looks so natural though. Like I really like how natural this wig look. Trying to see like different little styles I can do with this wig. So here I am, I'm just like making like a little bang, and then like I push the sides like in the middle like a little mohawk, and then I took the hair, put some up in like a little bun, and that was cute also. So I was trying to figure out like if I should put the band like over my ears or put it behind my ears. And y'all know I don't have no edges, honey, so I was trying to hide that as much as I could with the bands. Like, that's why I like the larger bands. So yeah, so this is what I came up with. I wore the hair like this. It was very, very cute. I got a lot of compliments. Matter of fact, people thought it was my real hair. Hey you guys, so I switched to my jammies. You know, I was about to change and stuff, and I thought about it. I forgot to... So this wig is perfect for anyone who like don't have edges like myself, okay? Or someone who, you know, not really good at lace frontals, don't want to deal with all the glues and the gels and all of that. Or someone who just simply just wants something simple and easy to throw on and go, honey, okay? So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Thumbs up this video, and don't forget to comment down below if you would rock this wig, honey, okay? I'm gonna leave all the details on this wig down below in the description bar. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you dolls next time. Bye-bye.